Hello, tubers. Christmas trio. Christmas lights. Yes, I am decorated in Christmas lights. And, oh yeah, we're going to do a cold start of the repaired mower. Oh yeah, it's hiding in the corner over there. First cold start since I repaired it. We're going to see how it does. Christmas lights. Take a look here. Oh, seem to be doing better on gas. We'll turn on our fuel shut off. Get some gas. Oh, we got a Christmas tree here. This is awesome. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Yep, thirsty little mower. She's got a lot of grass to cut. So we're going to see how this does. I do need to adjust the choke on it. It does not close all the way, but boy. Seems I got myself in a little bit of a mess here. Some of these work, some of these don't, but just feeling a little festive this time of year.